Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the latest in clean energy solutions. Today, we're diving into the world of P-type high-performance monocrystalline photovoltaic modules, and we have an exciting product to showcase. But first, let's talk about the company behind this innovative technology. Leisheng Hong Limited, LSH, is a global leader in smart energy storage systems and integrated energy solutions. With a focus on new and clean energy, LSH is committed to providing efficient and professional energy solutions for a better world. Now, let's take a closer look at the star of today's show, the P-type high-performance monocrystalline photovoltaic modules. These cutting-edge modules are equipped with Class A monocrystalline photovoltaic technology, featuring PERC battery technology and a new circuit design that reduces internal current and resistance loss. These modules undergo strict testing, including TUV salt spray and ammonia corrosion testing, ensuring their durability and performance in various environmental conditions. In fact, they boast better performance in low-light environments and excellent anti-PID performance, certified by 5,400 pascals snow and 2,400 pascals load tests. These modules are versatile and can be used in a variety of applications, including residential roofs, telecommunication stations, small building roofs, and photovoltaic carports. Their adaptability makes them an ideal choice for a wide range of energy needs. With their advanced technology and proven performance, it's no wonder that these modules are revolutionizing the clean energy industry. Whether you're looking to power your home or business, these modules offer a sustainable and cost-effective solution. That's all for today's showcase of P-type high-performance monocrystalline photovoltaic modules. Thank you for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more updates on the latest in clean energy solutions. Until next time, stay green and stay sustainable.
FindSupply, a completely non-profit foreign trade service platform.